Hi, this is Ramu, Associate Professor, Department of CSC, Institute of Aeronautical Engineering, Hyderabad. Today class we are going to concentrate on preprocessor directives. See, what is the meaning of preprocessor directives and how it is useful in the C program. The preprocessor directives are used to replace the code when in the time of preprocess before going to compile. See, hash include. Generally in your programs, every program you use the hash include, right? The hash include stdio.h. You're going to include that library. This is the preprocessor directives. Like just now, up to now, we have seen only hash include preprocessor directives. So many preprocessor directives are available as shown here. See, the first one is hash define. If you want to define any values, predefined values or functions, you use a hash define. See, substitute a preprocessor macro, right? Which you want, and hash include. You know already. It insert a particular header file into your program, right? And coming to the next, hash undefined. Suppose if you define one value, pi value, if you want to undefine, if you want to reset the value, then you can use a undefined. Undefined means that value is removed from your program, right? And if def is a particular is defined, it returns true, right? Coming to if end if it is not defined, we'll see one by one in our dev C, right? Coming to the if you want to write some conditions, you can use if statement, right? And else, and if elif is a process of else if is combined with the else plus if is a one statement. And coming to the end if, right? These are the some statements. So we'll see one by one. Hash define undefined, how it will work. Observe clearly here. I have defined a one function is called data. See, data is going to take the two arguments from the input, right? And it is going to perform the addition. Generally, you can use a functions here, but it's a preprocessor. It's a preprocessing directory we defined here. Observe clearly. If you pause that percentage of message, see, message is paused where the define, right? Define of message, the sum. The output is the sum, and it prints the output. See, we'll see in the editor to get the more clarity on that. For example, if you're going to define a one function, right? The function name is, see, all preprocessor directory starts with a hash symbol, right? Hash define. Hash define. And for example, I want to create a one message, right? MESS message. The message is hello IRE. Hello IRE. If you print this one, see, printf of percentage s comma message. If you run this code, see, if you run this code, the output is hello IRE, right? But if you want to undefine, see, if you use has undefined of message. See, if you print this message, see, message is undeclared because you undefined this message, right? You deleted that message. You deleted that message, right? Otherwise, see, define message equal to hello C. Now, if you run this code, the data is changed. The first it printed hello IRE. After that, I changed the value as hello C, right? Is this clear? Define is going to define the data. These are the standard values. For example, if you create a one function, see, if you want to create a one functions, the function name is addition. Add of a comma b, right? Here, printf, observe clearly, percentage d, comma a plus b, right? If you call this value, this, see, See, if you perform addition of see 2 comma 3 here, add, we don't have an add function, but add is a preprocessor function. See, if you run this code, what it written, message is undeclared. Yeah, I deleted message, right? That is why it is going to generate an error, right? And add is passed to argument, but take just, yeah, should use a comma here, right? See, the 5 is the result, right? This is the purpose of define and undefined. Define is going to define the as a method or as a function or as a variable, global constants. And undefined is, it is going to undefine the value, right? Just remove the value. Is this clear? And coming to if def, if and if. For example, the message, for example, observe clearly here, message is defined, right? Message is defined. So hello IRE, hello IRE, right? See, what I'm going to do here, if what is there, hash if def of message, right? If the message is defined. See, if the condition is true, see, printf message is defined, right? Message is defined. Observe clearly. If you run this code, yes, yes, see, yeah, can use it here also. Oh, sorry. Yeah. So after this, I should use end if here. So what is the scope of that one? End if, right? Yes. So you just use this one as inside this function. Yes. See, if you run this code, yes, message is defined, right? Message is defined. For example, if I use hash undiff of message, now if you run this code, you didn't get any output because the message is undefined here, right? For example, if you want to check that one, you just use n message is not defined, because NDF, right? This condition is true when the message is undefined, right? Because here we deleted the data. Yes or no? The message is deleted here. That is what is going to give true. Is this clear? How define work? Right? Right? And how undefined will work? And has if def is message is defined, right? If and if is message is undefined, right? This is going to true when the message is undefined. It is going to true when the message is defined, right? This is clear. These are the preprocessor directives to check the defined and undefined messages and functions, right? Coming to the hash if, right? And if and else and end if, right? For example, now I'm going to write a program. This is a program is going to check the given number is even or odd, even or odd, using preprocessor directives. Using preprocessor directives. See, for example, here I'm going to take one value int of n equal to 10. Now I want to check this number is even or odd. See, hash if, see, n modulo division 2 is equal to small n, right? N modulo division 2 is equal to 0. If condition is true, see, printf, what it means? The condition is true means it is even, right? So hash end if, right? Otherwise, see, else printf odd, right? Hash end if. Now, if you run this code, observe clearly, it is even, right? For example, if you change this value as 11, now if you run this code, see, in modulo division 2, right? It's 12. See, yes or no? It's working fine, right? So this is the purpose of see how if and hash if and end if will work, right? This is clear. This is the preprocessor directives. You can use not much, but when most of the cases you are going to use only two things. The first one is the hash define, and next one is the hash include. Hash define is going to define the global constants, and coming to the hash include is going to use to include the header files into your program, right? Is this clear? And these are the, and also you can use else if also, elif or say hash of elif also, right? Thank you very much.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.